Embark on a 15-day exploration of the Baltic and Northern Europe with Viking. Your journey begins amidst the shimmering waters and sheltering isles of glorious Stockholm. The white city of the north, Helsinki, awaits you next. Then it's on to the palaces and cathedrals of regal St. Petersburg. Explore Tallinn's picturesque 13th century cobblestone streets and the remarkably restored old town of Gdansk. Both modern and historic, Berlin will leave a lasting impression. In Copenhagen, experience reminders of a fairy tale past. Discover Aalborg's trendy cafes and shops and ancient Viking sites. In Norway, the beauty surrounding Stavanger. And sail through fjords to the traditional village of Eidfjord. Your travels through Viking Homelands concludes in the beautiful Hanseatic city of Bergen.